everyone, welcome back to the Storytime family. How's it going today? Did you have lots of fun at school? Are you all settled and ready to read a book with us? Today we have Old Friends. Age is Nothing But a Number by Margaret Aiken and Lenny Wen. Let's have a look, shall we? Old Friends. Marjorie loved growing seeds into gardens, knitting cozy creations, and curling up in front of her favorite baking show. If only she could find someone who loved these things too. Someone like Granny. The kids in the neighborhood were great, but none of the other kids get excited about yarn and yarn work the way Marjorie did. Who could Marjorie ask for help if her scones were sunken? Or if her sweet peas got slugs? Marjorie missed Granny so much. Then one day she saw a sign. Marjorie had no clue what a cha-cha-cha was, but she longed for a friend who loved gardening, crafting, and baking. The thought of it gave her a wonderful feeling, like she had just baked the world's most delicious berry apple crisp. So on Saturday morning, Marjorie packed her knitting needles and headed to the community center. She was just about to enter when, "Stop right there, young lady. That's for seniors only. Kids clubs is that way." Marjorie sighed. How would she find a friend now? She walked and walked and walked some more. She thought about Granny. Granny didn't let her knots in her knitting hold her back. If Granny's cake didn't rise, she washed her bowls and started again. Granny didn't give up easily, and neither would she. Marjorie knew just what to do. It was time for a cardigan camouflage. Marjorie sprinkled some flour, perched some glasses, and with a few floral scarves knotted, some lavender perfume spritz, and her mom's woolly cardigan button, she was undercover Granny. Wearing her disguise, Marjorie sneaked past the receptionist and slowly opened the door. There to welcome her was a friendly smile. "Hi, I'm Arthur." Arthur showed Marjorie around and introduced her to the group. She learned a new knitting stitch from Patrick, gathered the latest gardening tips from Betty, and got a scrumptious new recipe from Jill. Marjorie was having a blast with her new friends until "It's that time you've been all waiting for. Let's cha-cha-cha." Marjorie slunk down in her chair. Dancing was not for her. She was about to make a quick exit when she got stopped by a samba sidestep. She tried to twist around the table but got trapped in a tangle. Her breakdancing breakout was a bust, so she'll just have to give the cha-cha-cha a whirl. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 3, 4, cha-cha-cha. Soon Marjorie was tapping and twirling so much that she didn't notice the floor puffing, her scarf slipping, and her glasses sliding. Until... oh no! "Wait!" Arthur shouted. "Don't go." "I'm sorry," Marjorie sniffed. "I just wanted to make new friends." "You did," said Arthur. "But I'm just a kid." They both sat down. "Can I tell you a secret?" "On the outside, we may look old, but on the inside, we still feel like kids. Just like you." Everyone agreed. I hope you share that new knitting pattern, said Patrick. I'd love to hear more about your roses, said Betty. Jill chimed in. Can you help us learn some new moves? Please stay, they all said. Marjorie smiled. I'll love to. Something told her Granny was smiling too. And so, Marjorie became the youngest member of the Senior Citizen Friends Group until Frank turned up. And that was Old Friends. That was such a sweet story, don't you think? If you'd like to own a copy of this book, the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, as we have many more fun stories like this in our lineup. Give us a like if you enjoyed it. We'll see you again back here soon. You take care. Bye-bye. Today we have A Beautiful Girl Like You by Nikki Rogers. Let's get started. A beautiful girl like you. A beautiful girl has skin that is fair. Whatever she's blessed with, she wants to share. A giver of gifts who keep others in mind. She likes to do things that are thoughtful and kind. A beautiful girl has lovely brown skin. Her eyes always look for the beauty within. She wants to see others soar like the birds, so uplifts them with her encouraging words. A beautiful girl has skin like desert sands, and wherever she goes, carries love in her hands. She uses her hands to hold and to heal. A gentle embrace shows she knows how you feel. A beautiful girl has freckles on her face and carries herself with gentleness and grace. She's softly spoken and brings a great peace. Even her presence puts others at ease. A beautiful girl has hair black as night. She's thoughtful and clever, likes doing things right. Good at solving problems and thinking things through, she likes to help work out the best thing to do. A beautiful girl has gold hair like the sun. Wherever she goes, she brings laughter and fun. She's confident, bold, bouncy, and loud. She loves to bring joy into every crowd. A beautiful girl is gracious and tall. You know she will catch you if ever you fall. She's honest, trustworthy, and a faithful friend. She'll walk right beside you till the very end. A beautiful girl is small and petite. She wants to share love with whomever she meets. She celebrates life through music and art and touches the world by sharing her heart. A beautiful girl has hair that's bright red and welcomes the day as she jumps out of bed. Her heart of compassion to help those with needs reaches out to others by doing good deeds. A beautiful girl has a smile that brings hope and strength that endures when it's hard to cope. She appreciates life, makes the most of each day. She doesn't give up when hard times come her way. A beautiful girl has a cool curly mop. When she has a passion, she's hard to stop. She'll seek after justice, stand up for the weak. She's strong and courageous. The truth she will speak. A beautiful girl is any girl at all. Not only external, it's every girl's call. If you are a girl, you are beautiful too. Bring beauty to the world by just being you. No price can be put on how much you are worth, more precious than rubies and have been from birth. You were made to love and be loved beyond measure. Every girl is beautiful, a valuable treasure. And that was a beautiful girl like you. Are you a beautiful girl? I'm pretty sure you are. If you like to own a copy of this book, the links to purchase it are in the description below. If you haven't, do subscribe for more stories like this. Give us a like or leave us a comment. We always love to hear from you. You take care now, and we'll see you back here soon. Bye-bye.